Hey guys, hello everyone, hello my team. Oh, fortunately I'm here in Bruno Souza's house, and I'm very glad to be presented to this amazing guy, Rafael del Nero here. Rafael, nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you as well, Pedro.
Thank you so much, man. I'd like you to talk to my audience here. All these guys, they want to know how to get an international job, how to start an international career, and I know you are a very well-known software developer working in Ireland, in MasterCard. Can you tell us about of your story?
Yeah, Pedro. So the first thing I recommend developers to do is to get good with English. That's the first step. And the other step, if you don't have a visa, you need to get experience in Brazil, because if you don't have a visa, the other countries, they will demand that you have sharp skills, because they won't hire someone who doesn't have experience unless you have the visa. But I know that the majority of developers in Brazil or in other countries who want to go abroad, they want they don't have a visa, right? So what I recommend you is first English, and also to be very good technically. So I recommend you to be at least a senior developer in your country, and then you start thinking about going abroad, because there's a lot, the whole world competing for those positions.
But do you think they can get like a job abroad from Brazil first? Like, I try a remote job first, and then I get experience in that country and working for that country like remotely, and then I try a visa for that.
Yeah.
Something like this.
That's the ideal case. If you can get a job remotely, that's much better. But I know this is harder. It's a bit harder, but it's possible. This is the ideal case. If you can get a job remotely, that's much easier. In my case, it was different. I went to Dublin, and I went there as a student, as an English student. And then after 4 months, I got my first job. And it's much easier to get a job when you are in the country. But if you have the privilege of getting a job in Brazil, that's much better, because then you go abroad with the certainty you already have a job.
But you were focused on getting for Ireland directly, or did you try like were you thinking about other countries as well?
I was open to other countries, but there was a coworker of mine who went to Dublin, and she got a job there with Java. And then I thought, okay, Ireland seems to be a good country for IT, and there is Java opportunities there, and it's Europe. So I thought, okay, why not? So, and I also knew that I could work there while studying, for example, even though I didn't work while I was studying. So I thought, okay, I'm going to Ireland. But it wasn't something a dream that I had many years ago, that, okay, I'm going to live in Ireland. It wasn't a dream. It was just, okay, I saw the opportunity, and I said, okay, I'm going there, I'm going to study English, and I'm going to get a job as a Java developer there. That was the plan.
Fantastic. Let's summarize again. First, English. Always English, guys. We need always to speak in English. And second one, getting to be sharpen your skills.
Yes.
And I know you have like a very good program for that, right?
Thank you. Yeah, I have the Java Challengers initiative. There I help developers with the Java core features, and I also help Java developers in their careers. So help developers to earn more and while working less, so they have more time for their families. So you can check it out, javachallengers.com.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you, man. Thank you so much. Very nice to meet you.
Thank you so much, Pedro.
Yeah. So guys, see you around.
Bye-bye.